Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your teacher from BMS Kunil. The topic I have taken up today is actually a poem, Stars Speak to Man. It is written by Abdul Ahad Azad. Let us first read the poem. You were the light of reason, but you chose to be fire, O man. You put humanity to disgrace. How careless of you, O man. Nature had fashioned you to apportion love and affection, but you took to buying and selling religion and faith instead. Nature had thrown up open all its treasures to you, but had you had to share them equitably, but you sad serpent like all them. One world, one mankind as close to another as the nail to the flesh. Who then ignited the fire of division and duality in your mind? You posed to be the pillar of religion and dharma without caring the least for either. Seeing your shameful deeds, humanity has fallen into lament. Should mankind ever own and profess a religion and faith? This poem is written by Abdul Ahad Azad. Abdul Ahad Azad was born in 1903 and he died in 1948. He was Abdul Ahad Azad was one of the well-known Kashmiri poets of his era. He was one of the pioneers of the modernist movement. He was a modernist poet. Azad is often referred to as John Keats of Kashmir, because John Keats was also a modernist poet. Both Keats and Azad wrote modernist poems and both died in early 40s. This poem is written by him, Abdul Ahad Azad. This poem is addressed to man. The poet in this poem addressed to man. The poet tells man, Abdul Ahad Azad tells man that he was light of the reason. He was light of the reason. He was as crown of creation. Man's duty was to watch over the bounties of nature and share them equitably. Abdul Azad says that nature had provided him with treasures of bounties to share them equitably, but he sat serpent like on them. His heart is restlessly vibrating and his vision clouded by fantasies. As the crown of the creation, man's duty was to watch over the bounties of nature and share them. It is a pity that his carelessness, insensitivity, and or leading him into the state of apathy. Destruction of humanity can be avoided by rekindling love. Abdul Azad says that man should avoid destruction of humanity by rekindling love, kindness, and the spirit of unity among men before it is too late. आज के लिए हम इतना ही पढ़ेंगे. Rest we will do tomorrow, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.